Every day, millions of people damage their own hair, not with neglect, but with care. Yes, the same hair care steps you believe are helping your hair might be destroying it slowly. You think you're protecting your scalp, adding shine, preventing hair fall, but what if I told you it's all doing the opposite? Stay with me till the end, because these 5 steps are the real reason behind your dandruff, dryness, and unstoppable hair fall, and step 1 is so important for you. Step 5, overwashing the hair. Something we all do without thinking, washing hair too often. You might love that fresh, fluffy feeling after shampooing daily, but your hair doesn't. Frequent shampooing strips away your scalp's natural oils, the very oils that keep it hydrated and protected. Dermatologists say the scalp has a delicate pH balance around 5.5, and overwashing pushes it toward dryness, irritation, and flakes. That imbalance triggers your oil glands to overwork, leading to greasy roots and dandruff. And here's the irony. The more you wash, the oilier it gets. If your lifestyle isn't too dusty or sweaty, 2 to 3 washes a week are enough. And when you do, use a mild, sulfate-free shampoo. Your scalp isn't a kitchen counter. It doesn't need deep cleaning every day. Step 4. Using hot tools without protection. The myth of heat equals beauty. Blow dryers, curling irons, straighteners, they give instant results, but at a silent cost. Your hair is made of keratin, a type of protein. At just 150 degrees, keratin begins to break down. At 200 degrees C, it's like melting silk, irreversible damage. That's why frequent heat styling leaves your hair dull, brittle, and lifeless. If you love styling, always use a heat protectant spray first. It forms a thin barrier that reduces up to 50% of heat damage. And whenever possible, let your hair air dry naturally. Remember, beauty that burns isn't beauty that lasts. Step 3. Applying hair oil on scalp too often. A habit passed down from generations. Oiling the scalp every other day. Sounds healthy, right? Not always. Here's the truth. Your scalp naturally produces sebum through thousands of oil glands. Over-oiling clogs hair follicles, suffocates roots, and creates a moist environment where malassezia, the dandruff-causing fungus, thrives. That means more dandruff, more itching, and even more hair fall. Instead, apply a few drops of lightweight oil only on hair strands, focusing on dry ends. Once or twice a month, a gentle scalp massage is fine, but avoid sleeping overnight with oil dripping on your pillow. Oil your strands, not your scalp. That's the modern rule for healthy hair. Step 2. Ignoring scalp health, focusing on hair length but ignoring where it all begins. Most people obsess over conditioners, masks, and serums, but forget that hair is dead tissue. Only the scalp is alive. Think of it like soil for a plant. If the soil is unhealthy, no matter how much you polish the leaves, the plant won't thrive. Your scalp has its own microbiome, a community of good bacteria that protect against dandruff and inflammation. But constant use of harsh products, chemical sprays, and even tight hairstyles can disturb that ecosystem. Treat your scalp like skin. Exfoliate gently once a week using a mild scrub or salicylic acid shampoo. Keep it clean and never block it with heavy products. Healthy scalp, growth strong roots, frilled happy hair. And finally, step 1, the most dangerous of them all, following every viral hair trend. From lemon juice anti-dandruff masks to baking soda deep cleans, the internet is filled with quick fixes that destroy your scalp's natural barrier. Lemon's acidity can cause microburns, baking soda disrupts your scalp's pH, and toothpaste or onion juice, they're irritants, not cures. Your scalp isn't a science experiment. Every time you mix kitchen ingredients hoping for miracles, you risk inflammation, fungal imbalance, or even permanent root weakening. Experts warn that 70% of hair damage cases they see today are caused by home remedies gone wrong. Before applying anything, ask yourself, would you put that on your face? If not, don't put it on your scalp. Your hair doesn't need experiments. It needs understanding. When hair starts falling, it's not just about appearance. It's confidence slipping away with every strand. It's that feeling when you avoid bright lights, skip pictures, or wear caps to hide damage. We've all been there, and it hurts. But the good news? Most of this is reversible once you stop these habits. Your hair can heal, but only if you stop hurting it in the name of care. So now tell me, which of these 5 mistakes are you guilty of? Let me know in the comments, because awareness is the first step to recovery. If this video opened your eyes, share it with someone who loves their hair as much as you do. And if you truly care about your hair and your beauty, hit that subscribe button. Because next time, we'll uncover more hair care myths that could be silently ruining your beauty.